What challenges face satellite servicing in space? Imagine trying to fix a satellite floating hundreds of miles above Earth, where everything is moving fast and space is a tricky place to work. That's what satellite servicing aims to do, but it faces some tough hurdles along the way. First, the biggest challenge is rendezvous and docking. Approaching a satellite in orbit requires pinpoint accuracy because of the vast distances and the satellite's speed. Servicing spacecraft need advanced navigation and autonomous control systems to get close without causing damage. Then, there are robotic operations. Most repairs or refueling tasks depend on robotic arms or autonomous systems. These robots must work reliably in harsh space conditions, where communication delays can make real-time control impossible. Developing universal tools and connectors is another obstacle. Satellites weren't built for servicing, so engineers create adaptable interfaces, like NASA's Cooperative Service Valve for refueling, to connect with different satellite designs. Communication latency also complicates operations. Since signals take time to travel between Earth and space, onboard autonomous systems are becoming more important to handle delicate maneuvers smoothly. On the economic side, costs are a big concern. Launching a new satellite can cost hundreds of millions of dollars, so operators want to know if servicing will save money in the long run. If a satellite's life can be extended for less than the cost of replacement, servicing makes sense. But many companies are cautious because reliability is still being proven, and failed servicing missions could create more space debris. Building the necessary infrastructure for servicing, like fuel supply stations or manufacturing facilities in orbit or near the moon, is still in early stages and adds to the challenge. Safety and risk management are also vital. Servicing missions must avoid collisions that could damage the target satellite or create debris. Any mishap could worsen the already serious problem of space junk. High reliability is essential, so extensive testing and validation are needed to minimize failure risks. Regulatory and operational issues also come into play. Servicing satellites in crowded orbits requiring coordination with multiple satellite operators and regulators to prevent conflicts. Plus, the lack of standardized interfaces on satellites makes planning and executing servicing missions more complicated. Despite these challenges, the benefits are clear. Servicing can extend satellite lifespans, refuel spacecraft to keep them in orbit longer, and upgrade sensors or instruments. As robotic and autonomous control systems improve, satellite servicing is set to become a key part of the commercial space industry, helping make space operations more sustainable and cost-effective.